Yeah.
So, we say, oh, Lord. This old Norway dude, he lives in Norway, he's a tough dude, been that old man. He, in the year 1912 or something like that, this sucker digging up trees, trying to clear his land and all that kind of bullshit, making houses and stuff. He breaks open this tree, and guess what's underneath the damn tree? The stone, of course. You know that nobody would doubt your word about the stone. You say, what's the problem? Well, first of all, the damn stone made out of concrete. Oh, Jesus. Oh. What, concrete? We're talking the 1362, and you're talking it's concrete? Oh, for God's sake. You say, you're saying, all right, well, that made a big hullabaloo. Well, they finally settled that the Knights Templar knew how to make concrete. And he set the stone up starry. And guess what's missing of it? A chunk is missing off of it. And the damn rock is pointed towards Spain.